Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at 58 Halfway Tree Road and we are looking at the construction of a 10-story building that is going to be used for a call center. So this is the actual work site and construction has just started. There you can see the massive crane. And it looks like it's a Chinese firm that's going to be doing the construction. They just started, so the building hasn't really gone very far yet. But over there now, that is 58 Halfway Tree Road, and that's all the buildings over here are used for call centers. So this building actually it hasn't even started basically, and it's already rented out the way they need so much call center space. Before they started construction, they said they were going to secure the tenants basically. So that building you're looking at straight ahead is used for a call center, everything on this property. So we'll keep you guys updated, send up the drone. Okay, they haven't run us out yet, so okay, now they're coming up to us. We're not going to interfere with the construction site. I'm just giving you guys an update. Have you ever wondered how persons get into these cranes? There's somebody climbing up. Wow. Like he's taking a rest. Let's go in somewhere. Alright. So that's another building looking at straight ahead now is also another building that's used for the call centers. Or used for a call center operates in there. So this building is going to be 10 stories. That's why you have this massive crane here. And some persons are actually saying it's going to be 13 stories. So we will double check it, but we heard 10, but somebody was saying it's going to be 13. So they have a far way to go. But we'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so that's 58 Halfway Tree, the Musson building that's going to be used for a call center. Now the call center industry in Jamaica is booming. They can't get enough space. This is just one building. There is another building in front of Andrews Hospital on Old Hope Road, which is the Usain Bolt building that's under construction. This is 58 Halfway Tree. That is also going to be used as a call center. The first building that Usain Bolt built on Halfway Tree Road is also used as a call center. A massive building was built in Portmore. That's also a call center. All over the place. The call center industry, BPO industry in Jamaica is booming. Alright, so this is Halfway Tree Road now. We were actually at the back of 58 Halfway Tree, but this is the main entrance. Alright, so we will continue our tour. Now, straight ahead, you're going to see a massive building. That is One Belmont. It's only, I think, 8 floors, but it's a huge building. It's not very tall, but it is wide. So we are on Oxford Road now. This is New Kingston. And since we're talking about buildings, we might as well mention this one, which is the Jamaica Pegasus, which is the tallest building in Jamaica. It's 17 floors, but the Ascent, that's going to be 20 floors, will hold the title as tallest building for a while, until the Ascent, which is 27 floors, will hold the title as the tallest building in Jamaica. And that will also be for a while, because they're building 4 28-story buildings in Montego Bay. And there is a proposal or a plan to build a 34-floor building in New Kingston at 77 Knutsford, where the Wyndham Hotel used to be. So a lot of construction going on in Jamaica, and the buildings are getting taller and taller. You really have to love the progress. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.